Hello my friends, I'm Madalina and today we are making my favorite layer blueberry cake. I like this cake because it's soft and moist, somewhere between vanilla cake and pound cake. We are using fresh blueberries and buttermilk and finishing the naked cake design with a silky smooth mascarpone cream and fresh fruits. It's like a slice of delight on a plate. So let's get started. For the dry ingredients we need 350 grams of flour in which we add 10 grams of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate, mix to combine the ingredient and put them aside. Put 120 grams of butter at room temperature in a bowl. Pour 300 grams of sugar over the butter and mix until it's become homogeneous. After reaching the wet sand composition, take 4 eggs at room temperature and add them in the composition, mixing after each one to incorporate everything. Pour 110 milliliters of oil and mix continuously. Pour the vanilla extract, cut a lemon in half and squeeze it. Pour the octane juice into the composition. Now grate the lime peel, just a little for flavor. Be careful to take only the green part. Now we do the same with the lemon. We need a little lemon peel for the flavor. After that, pour 180 milliliters of buttermilk and mix it with a mixer. This composition is perfect. Now pour half of the dry ingredients prepared at the beginning and mix it well. Pour the rest of the dry ingredient and mix with a spatula. We use the spatula so we will not cover everything in flour. Trust me, I have some experience with that. Now we can use the mixer. The mix is ready and looks perfect. Now we need 200 grams of blueberries. On top of them we add a spoonful of cornstarch and sieve the blueberry to remove the excess. We do this to keep them on the surface of the batter. Divide the composition equally in two 22 cm cake pans. Place the blueberry on the batter and with a spoon try to cover them. Now we put the tray in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius with the ventilation on for about 50 minutes. We are halfway through our journey to bake this heavenly blueberry cake. If you are enjoying the process, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to Sabrissimo for more fantastic recipes like this one. 50 minutes have passed and the cake tops are ready. Open and take them out of the tray. As you can see, the top is soft and moist as it should be. Look how fluffy it is. Now let's start with the cream. Put 250 grams of mascarpone in a bowl. On top of that, add 50 grams of Greek yogurt and pour 200 milliliters of whipped cream and 100 grams of sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Remove a pedal from the mixer to mix more easily and mix this composition well. It is ready when it's thickened and we can form wave on it. The cream must be put it in the refrigerated, but first pour about 50 grams of cream in another bowl. Color it purple with some food coloring and mix it well to have a uniform color. Now cut the top that we have a straight cake. Do the same with the second batter. Put the cake top on a rotating support so that it is easily to assemble. We bring the cream from the fridge, put a few spatula and spread the cream well. After we have finished spreading, add blueberry for extra flavor. Put the purple cream in a bag, spread the cream all over the top. Now we come with the second top over. Spread the cream with a spatula, including on the edges of the cake. Now we use the purple cream from the piping bag to decorate the side of the cake. After putting the cream, we spread it with a spatula. Put some lemon curd in a small piping bag and use it to decorate the cake. You can find the lemon curd recipe in the top right corner. For decor, we chop some pistachio and cut few fresh blueberries and strawberries. Our layer blueberry cake is is ready and it looks simply irresistible. It is tender, moist, and that blueberry flavor, perfection. Now I am going to enjoy this slice. I hope you will do too. Thank you for joining us today in the kitchen. If you love this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out what we have prepared for you next. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions on this recipe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking!